Let's review how to use the My Purchases accordion on Toolkit.law. Select the Settings section and then click on the My Purchases accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you'll see a complete list of every purchase associated with your account. Each entry displays the order ID, transaction time, payment method, payment status, amount, and order status, everything a legal professional needs for record keeping and financial reporting. You can review each purchase individually, use the share icon to send details to your bookkeeper or finance department, or simply keep everything organized in your personal dashboard. This tool helps eliminate lost receipts, reduces manual tracking, and keeps your audit trail clean and accurate. This is especially helpful for law firms that maintain precise financial records for compliance, reimbursement, invoicing, audits, or internal reporting. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's My Purchases accordion.